Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP DreamColor monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily reset your monitor color preset to the factory settings. So at first we have to click on the back of our monitor on this button, which is in the bottom right corner, and then we have to click it once again. Now we have to scroll down to color, and now we have to click on it. Now we can scroll all the way down till we see reset active color preset. As we move this lower away, and as you can see, reset active color preset. We have to click on it, and here we have reset to last calibration or reset to factory calibration. What we want is reset to factory calibration. Now we have to click on this button, and as you can see, here we can see, are you sure you want to reset the current color preset to the default? And to the factory calibration values, this cannot be undone, so remember it cannot be undone. If we are sure, you just have to click on this button, and as you can see, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.